Good morning. HM-DCC, I'm going to talk about the power supply. Now, if you're starting from scratch and you intend to run this with all your locos, say for argument's sake with TT120, you can buy a transformer from Hornby R7337, which is £60, which provides a 15 volt power supply. Job done. Okay, now if you've got a DC or analog railway, you can run this with your analog controller. Now what you have to do is turn power full on and that's it. But be aware, if you're doing this and you've got locos in the sidings and you flip the wrong point, one of those locos is going to go walkies, maybe off the side of the board. So you've got to be a little bit careful there. However, this is how you power this if you've already got an analog or DC track. Now, if you already have DCC, then you just turn the DCC power on and it will run from this. Now, a couple of small caveats to this is the HM-DCC will run in analog, and I will discuss that later in my main video. And also it will run off a digital controller, and I will discuss that later, but you can control it with that. Now a point to make is this, is that these chips will not run over 27 volts. You will blow them. You've also got to be careful if you're thinking about using a laptop's power, because a laptop's power supply can be unstable and there is a risk of damaging the chip. Hornby say do not exceed 20 volts. So in my opinion, if you're thinking about using a power supply that is for some other device and you're not totally sure how much power it's putting out, rather than destroy your £60 chip, I would spend the £60 on an R7337, or even better still, just buy a cheap second-hand analog controller, maybe an HM7000, to power this chip on your model railway. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been of some help on how to power up your new HM-DCC chip. Thank you.